BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Genesis S-335. Big price difference, huh?
Huge. The Nexgrill is like $265, while the Weber is almost $1,150. What are we actually getting for that extra cash, though?
Well, the Weber has a third burner, right? It impacts the cooking area.
Good point. The Nexgrill boasts 401 square inches. What about the Weber?
The Weber doesn't specifically state the cooking area, but it's bigger overall, at 57.7 wide compared to the Nexgrill's 42.52. And it has a side burner. Perfect for sauces.
Okay, so more cooking space and a side burner. What about the heat output? I like my steaks seared.
The Nexgrill pushes out 28,000 BTUs. I don't see a BTU rating for the Weber, but it does have an extra-large sear zone with intense heat.
Interesting. So Weber is focused on even heat and a dedicated sear zone, while Nexgrill is just giving a total BTU number. What about the grates themselves?
The Nexgrill uses porcelain-coated cast iron, which is good for even heat and easy cleaning. The Weber has stainless steel cooking grates, which heat quickly and are durable.
Stainless steel sounds fancier. Is the Weber heavier?
Absolutely. The Nexgrill is around 70 pounds, while the Weber is a hefty 181 pounds. Makes sense with the extra burner and size.
Portability is a factor for me. The Nexgrill mentions simple storage and mobility with casters.
The Weber also has casters, but given its weight, it's probably less mobile and more movable.
Right, makes sense. What about materials? Are both stainless steel?
Both have stainless steel control panels, but the Weber seems to be mostly stainless steel construction. The Nexgrill uses a combination of stainless steel and porcelain-coated steel.
Okay. So the Weber is a bigger, heavier, more powerful grill with a focus on even heat and searing and higher quality materials. The Nexgrill is smaller, lighter, cheaper, and more portable.
Exactly. It really depends on your grilling needs and budget. If you are a beginner, the Nexgrill may be the better option. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.